And we're live, I think. Let me clear my throat. Let me just adjust my chair. And I think we're good to go. No face cam today. Come in complete darkness right now. Hey, Bill! I have arrived. Bows to Bill. No face cam because of yesterday. It was flashing too much and the green screen wasn't working. So I decided no effort for green screen today. But I want to show you guys something, alright? That's why I'm in the lobby, I'm not in the story mode yet. I wanted to show you something, besides the fact that I've got a cool, new, awesome, glowing Vegeta. Checks for pants. I'm not wearing pants today. I want to show you something. Clearly I'm online, as you can see. I'm clearly online. As you can see, there's people online here in the lobby and stuff walking around. Look, this is clearly online. I am online right now, definitely. Alright? I want to show you something. When it's time for me to battle online, it's not that I want to, I just want to check something real quick. Look at this. Ah, Vloggy, you don't have PS Plus. So the thing is, we're not going to let you play online, even though you are already online anyway. You know, it's amazing how it is. So you don't really pay for online. Because I am online. This is interaction already. I am already online. It's weird, isn't it? I don't know. I thought it was noteworthy. I'm not going to do PlayStation Plus anymore. I don't care about online play. I care about this! Story mode! Begin story. I hope it's not begin story. Oh my goodness. Am I starting over? Completion 12%. Okay, we're good, yes? Hey, Toby! Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's the new game. What? What's going on? Select. Oh, here we go. I got confused for a sec. It's like, what? Because I didn't save yesterday. I was assuming it was autosave. Alright, so. Here we go. Gameplay recording post. Shh.
Hey, hello? Who's that inside my head right now?
Goku! Goku!
Piccolo?
Come quick! They're too strong!
Who is? And where? I'm sensing a small energy distortion. That way!
Okay, I did this yesterday, but apparently we're gonna recap. I did this yesterday, I'm sure I did. We rescued Piccolo yesterday. Did I? No, I don't know. Alright, whatever. So, look, I have to do my team again. What the heck? Alright, so, it's gonna be Goku. It's gonna be Boo. And it's gonna be Krillin. No, I don't think so. Piccolo. Hey, Midna, hello. I'm late. I overslept. No, you're not late. I just started. I'm gonna burp. Hold on. Okay, let's go on. We're all level 6s. All 6s and 2s. Alright, so. Okay, so start. Okay, so. These guys are level 5s. I can take them on. There's some Guinea over there. I did this yesterday. I'm sure I did. But whatever. Let's do it again. I don't mind. It's just a little refresher. I want to rescue Vegeta today. I don't know if it's possible, but I would love to rescue Vegeta because of the thumbnail.
Are you ready?
Yeah! Ooh, perfect! That's a perfect round. Nice. Next one. Yeah, you don't stand a chance against the Super Saiyan. And I'm even holding back. Alright, yeah, just to land an attack on me actually. You know what? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Time to switch. Yes, there are, yes. And like I said, you don't have to go for a 3DS. I believe that the 3D is just a gimmick. I mean, it's a nice technology, but I think it's just a gimmick. So, especially if you want to play Pokemon, the new Pokemon games don't even make use of the 3D. So, you can just get a 2DS. It's just as good. That's what Drew did. He got a 2DS. One of the big screens ones, not the one I have. Come on, do the explosion thing. There we go. Nice. Destructive finish. Look at that. You were bone tired? I never heard that expression. Bone tired. Whatever works, though. How does it work? Like a PS, you can download the games? Yes, you can download the games, but I prefer physical copies, honestly. I prefer physical copies, you know, but that's just me. I only get digital releases. When it's, when I can't wait, really. Let's just say I want to stream it before everyone else. You know how I am. If the release date is like tomorrow and it's available today on the Australian store, I'll download it right away because I want to get, let's call it early access. But yeah, other than that, I prefer physical copies. Now then, let's go attack Ginyu.
Time to begin the match.
Oh, Goku's 7, I just realized. Nice. So anyway, there's a good chance I might fight you one day. Bill, we'll do a stream. We'll do the humiliation live for everyone to see. I'm not saying whose humiliation, whether it's mine or yours, but yeah, I'm gonna fight battle, not fight. Whoa, 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 whoa! That's down. Whoa. Nice. Hey, Nick. VloggyBallZ. VloggyBalls. Not sure how to read that. Come on, Boo. Come on, Boo. There we go. Oh, Boo, come on, Boo. The only thing I hate about Boo is he screams way too much. It gets annoying. But he's very strong, and I love the character. Time to make blow. Time to make a blow. Blow up everywhere. Ooh! Nice. Well done, Boo. How are you, Nick? It looks like a great game. Yes, it is a great game. It is a great game indeed. Alright, so I went up one level with the rewards and stuff. What's Oo? You must feed Oo. What is that Oo? Boo is Majin Boo's here. Let's do this. I'll get some good XP apparently. What level is he? Level 16. Can we do this? Can we do this? We get some serious XP. Let's do this. Last time I missed out on attacking Majin Buu, but I think we can do this. Come on. Level 16, huh? Level 16. Let's try. Let's try. The one on PS2. Was it Budokai Tenkaichi? Hold on, cutscene.
Okay. Now, Boo, do you know what Kid Boo is saying? Because I don't. It just sounds like screaming to me. Total nonsense.
Before, I know, right? But that's how yeah, it happens to be a conversation between two Boos, and that's not much. It's just yelling and a baby talking, really. Boo don't know, so Boo can't even understand Boo. This is weird. Hello V4, by the way.
What? Then why are you even talking to each other in the first place? Not sure? Great. Now I don't know what either Boo is saying. That's just awesome.
Cuckoo, here he comes!
Guess there's no time to figure out what's going on. All right, let's do this!
Okay, time to fight this Boo. Time to fight this Boo. Alright, so it's just one Boo. 3 against 1, level 16. Come on, I can do this. Can I do this? What do you guys think? Can I do this? Can I pull this off? Hmm? Can I pull this off? I get some serious XP if I defeat this guy. Let's go!
All or nothing! Go! Alright, give this a whirl! Man, I'm getting pumped! Try it! Man, over here! You nailed it! How about this? Wonderful!
Getting the tutorial. I don't care about the tutorial now. He's tough. Nice!
Takes for granted with you around.
That was epic! And I completed the mission. I completed the tutorial. That was amazing. Bye bye, Boo! I got a trophy. Bye bye, Boo! Majin Burk. Alright, so I got power up level 1. Did I get some serious XP? Kind of. Got some good Zenny. They're all level 7 now. That's it. Alright then. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna defeat these 3 guys over here. They're level 5s and level 5s. Yeah, I can do that before I get to Piccolo. Let's go.
Time to begin the match.
That's weird that there isn't a regular Goku. He has to be Super Saiyan. I would love to have a regular. I would love to have a regular Goku and then he powers up and becomes Super Saiyan during the fight. I miss that. Never watched the show. Oh, you should. You should.
All right, give this a whirl.
There we go. Special move. Land that with this. Oh. Powered up. Special move. 8 powered up. Nope. This is it. I did it, right? No. Wasn't it powered up? Okay. You get that in the DLC. Actually, I got some free DLC when I got because I pre-ordered the game. I got Super Saiyan God Goku, but I don't know. He's not there. I don't know how. He's not in the story mode, I think. That wasn't a special move. This is it. This is a special move. This has to be a special move. Come on. Yes, that's completed. Destructive finish. But no, it wasn't a special move either. It didn't count. I don't know. It's weird. Arcade mode, right? Well, I mean, this is the arcade mode, right? Does this count as arcade mode? This is a story mode, but isn't it the arcade mode like? I don't know. I'm not so sure. Hey, da 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 da. I would love to exit and come back, but I'm afraid that if I exit again, I'll have to start over the map. I don't feel like doing that. I'm gonna check the team real quick. So this is. Hold on, let's just say Goku. And then, what if I want to... What's event? No link events. I know what that is. Special move list. These are the special moves. Whoopsie. I did perform a special move before anyway. A real arcade mode. I think there is. I think there is. I don't wanna... I don't know. Because I went straight for this. But I think there is. The thing is, I don't know where I did unlock Super Saiyan God, but I don't know where it is. This is not Super Saiyan God. I don't know. Maybe because I'm playing the story mode, I'm not allowed to see him yet. I don't know. I don't want to go back to the main game, to the lobby again, because I might lose the progress on this map. So I don't know. The Super Saiyan is a secret move, I think. It was good, wasn't it? It was a really good move. I liked it. So let's do this and go get Piccolo. We go get Piccolo.
Brace yourself for the coming battle.
But the game looks really good. My minor complaints are the map system, where you like have to move your character around and you would have a limited amount of moves. I think that's stupid. And I wish I could power up. You know, like start off as a regular Goku. This. Ooh, like.
You really blew me away there.
Super attack.
You've come this far, so I'm sure you'll be fine. Wonderful. Fantastic. Take that.
I'm for Boo! No, I forgot to switch to Boo. Ah, whatever. He's still powering up now. Right, let's do this. I love Boo. Plus, do you have behaviour with it? No, I'm not. It's not my thing. No, I don't like behaviour with it. I know. It's a big sin to say that, but it's not my thing. It's not really my thing. I was expecting it to be like the next Resident Evil, but it wasn't. It wasn't my thing. Perfect! Anybody else? Battle complete. Nice, level 8. You didn't like it either. Alright, so it's not just me then. I don't know, I thought it was gonna be like the next Resident Evil, but it wasn't. Nah. Alright, let's go rescue Piccolo. There's gonna be a cutscene, I think, here, yeah? Yeah, rescue Piccolo.
Let's go rescue Piccolo.
Look! It's Piccolo! Goku! Behind you! Man, it's like I can't go 2 minutes without bumping into one of these clones. Well, know what I gotta do.
It's blah. It's blah.
This should be a great fight. Are you ready? Go! Not bad.
Ooh. Oh, ooh. Careful now. I'll try something. There we go. Let me try something else. Okay. Nice. Is this on the Switch? I have no idea. I think it is. I think it came out on the Switch. I'm not so sure though. Don't quote me. It's interesting. I would like to know that actually. I think it was supposed to come out on the Switch. But you know how it is when it comes to Nintendo titles. Usually they release afterwards, so maybe it's coming on the Switch still? I don't know. Nice. I don't know, I think it's coming on the Switch. Or maybe it's out, but I'm sure I've seen that it's somewhere that it's coming on the Switch. I'm not so sure. Anyway. Oh yeah, this is hilarious. This cutscene is hilarious now. Listen to this. I remember this from yesterday.
Good. I can finally move again.
I'm glad you're okay. But I have to tell you that things have taken a turn for the worse.
If you're referring to the waves and that linking business, then I already know about all of that.
Huh? But I didn't even...
Look, I'd rather not listen to you explain. It was easier just to read your mind.
You read my mind?
You see, Piccolo used to be calming. Reading minds is just old hat to him.
Hey, just what else did you look at without my permission, huh? Don't tell me. You saw memories of me taking a bath, didn't you?
I might have seen something like that amongst the jumble. What of it?
What's that supposed to mean? Have you no respect for a girl's privacy?
Hold up. Why would a Namekian be interested in girls anyway, Bulma?
Hold on there. Aren't you a little too old to be calling yourself a girl?
I am not old!
At least now I know the state of affairs. Hold on. So you're linked with Goku? Well, you've really gotten yourself into a nasty situation. Still, we're gonna need you now more than ever. I'll join the fight from here. Whatever I can do to help.
Alright, so I'm switching Krillin now with Piccolo for sure. He's definitely stronger, so... I want to check out Horizon Zero Dawn. I just never got around to doing that. This is a new map, right? Okay, so let's rearrange our group. I'm gonna have to say goodbye to Krillin. Let's go with Piccolo now. There we go. This guy's level 666, and this guy's level also 666. Let's go with these guys. More cutscenes.
Okay, I didn't expect I'd end up fighting my own clone.
Which is weird because Piccolo can actually clone himself when he trains. Yeah, that's what he does. He clones himself and then he fights himself. So I don't know why this is weird for him. If you get it now, you get the expansion. I might get it, but no, not now. I don't have time for it now. But I might. Maybe when I'm having a dry spell of games, you know, sometimes in between releases. So we'll see. I don't even know what my next game is going to be. I think it's going to be Spider-Man for the PS4 now, my next game. I don't know. Can't think of a title that I'm looking forward to. There's no games I'm looking forward to that actually have a release date, you know? Spider-Man has no release date. Resident Evil 2 Remake, don't get me started on that. You know, so, I don't know. The Avengers game has no release date either, so... All the cutscenes. No, I don't mind the cutscenes because it's anime, you know? It's part of the cartoon. It's just like the cartoon.
Its power, other characteristics appear to be the same as mine, and I suppose its body and abilities are the same as mine as well. It's not every day an opponent shows up where you know all of their strengths and weaknesses. Nobody knows me better than me, after all. I can use that to my advantage. I'll pull out all the stops, since I'm basically fighting myself.
Right. We do it. I think the biggest lie wasn't the we do it, apparently, even though the we do it was a lie. But especially the part where he says, we're gonna keep our fans updated on the progress of the game. Like, yeah, right, it's been 3 years almost now, and still nothing. You lie! Alright, do a super dash at your opponent. Do it again.
One more time.
No, break your opponent's grab. There we go.
That's how it's done. There's more.
Circle flank with a heavy attack.
So I'm sure you'll be fine.
Go. Anything else?
You nailed it.
Alright, defeat.
Take this. Over here. Fantastic. There's more. Fantastic.
2167. Yep, sounds about right. Uh-oh.
I'm done yet. Over here. Over here. Over here.
I God of War, but I'm never going to the God of War franchise. I don't know. I don't know if it's me, but I'll keep an eye on it. Come on, can we do the...
This is the ultimate form.
I am so strong. I'll keep an eye on God of War. I don't know. I want to see if I like it. But I don't know. I'm also waiting for Last of Us 2, but again, no release date on that. So there's no games I'm looking forward to right now, you know, that actually have a release date. Bill Billerkin. Alright, almost at... Let's see. What's slightly damaged there? I can see that. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, I saw the trailer, yeah. That's reminded me of Viking. So then, I was gonna say, is this a map of the world? No. Is this Europe? Nope. Alright, Oh my goodness, those dates. By that year, I think we'll have like a June 47th. We'll have extra days in the calendar. Should I just go ahead and... Who's this? Does anybody... No, it's just the boss battle. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is... start from here, work my way down. That's what I'm gonna do.
The outcome of this fight is anybody's guess.
The outcome of this fight is anybody's guess.
This is the ultimate form!
Look at that power! Will be gone? Yeah. Speaking of that, I mean, I already addressed my annoyance yesterday. I'll say it again. I'm not annoyed the fact that they didn't release anything about RE2 Remake. You know, I don't care about the screenshots now. At this point, I don't even care about anything. But the fact that they didn't even acknowledge the 20th anniversary. I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry, I got interrupted by a sneeze. I was trying to finish a sentence. I was saying, I got annoyed the fact that they didn't even release. They didn't even acknowledge the 20th anniversary, and it's the 20th, not like the 19th or the 3rd or whatever, you know. They didn't say anything. They just kept quiet. And that's annoying, you know. And then they went ahead on their Twitter and they celebrated the 1-year anniversary of RE7. Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Alright, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to rearrange something real quick. Oh, I got nothing here. I need to put them on. So, no defense. I want to do the regen. Where's the regen? Health regeneration. I want to do the... I don't care about defense. I don't care about the... No? Health regeneration level. What's this? Oh, that's the same thing. Partial drain. I have no idea what this is. Recovers a portion of the damage done to the enemy as health. Interesting. Victory health recovery up. I'll use that as well. I don't know what that is, but what's my PSN? It's it's funny. Let me see if I can show you real quick. There it is. It's up. No, that's my name. It's Ken Italiano, but I don't think you can actually see it. Victory health. I'm gonna use this one as well. Zenny up. There was one for XP. Where is it? I'm sure I unlocked it. It showed up earlier. Where is it? I don't know. I'm gonna write it in on my. I mean, you can feel free to add me, but I don't really play online. I don't even have PS Plus. Let me write it down. That's my user. That's my PSN. It's a long story how I got that. I used to have different accounts, one for the US, one for Italy, one for UK. You know, and I used to have all these different accounts for many reasons. But then at one point, I was only allowed to keep one, so I stuck with the Italian one. I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is. Tech power up. Oh, I don't care about this one. Let's just put this one there. Okay. This game is only, isn't it? I don't get it. Only what? Alright, I'm gonna attack these guys. It's only online. No, I'm not playing online right now. There is online for this game. But this is not online. This is in story mode. I will never buy a game that's online only. Never, ever, ever again. I was a sucker when I got Star Wars Battlefront. It was online only. I spent $60 for a game that had no story mode, just online. I had to buy PSN Plus to play it. You know, I played it for like 3 months and then that's it. I got the request. I see it there. Come get it, sucker. Over here.
Over here!
I think the environment gets destroyed as I'm fighting him. Is it online only? I'm not so sure. We have that work, but I think I was able to do a run without playing online. I'm not so sure though. Where did he come from? He wasn't there before. 8, 8, and 7? And 8, 8, and 7. No. I was looking at the wrong thing. 6, 6, 6, and 5, 5, 5. I'm gonna fight the 6, 6, 6s. Hey, Sean! Welcome. Nice to see you. Time to fight. Yeah, that's why I passed on Battlefront 2, but apparently they did put a story mode in Battlefront 2. I'm like, no, I've already been hurt. I'm not gonna give it a second chance, you know? I wanted to get back. I'm a Star Wars fan, but I'm like, no. I'm not gonna give you money anymore. Perform a 10-hit combo. What? How do you perform a 10-hit combo? Okay, I know how. Like that. That's 33 hits. Come on, yes, I passed. Okay, what else? A 20-hit combo. What's he doing? Alright, you got this. Oops, that's not ahead of mine. That's okay. Yeah, I'm not happy with the EA either. That's why I didn't buy the game. Even though it looked good, I was like, I'm already hurt. I'm already hurt. I'm not gonna do it again. I'm not gonna give you a second chance. Passed? Alright, what else? A 30-hit combo. We can do this. Oh wow, I missed. There we go.
Not bad.
There we go. Let's see if I can do like a 40-hit combo as possible. No, 33. No, 33 is the best I could do. Mission complete! What's this? Method slug? Health recovery bonus level 3. I can switch that, I can do that. I get more health with that. I'll do that. But the thing is this, Nick. Once the price goes down on the game, everybody's gonna be a pro online and you're gonna get trashed. If I don't start a game like that early, like everyone else, I have the same advantage as everyone else. I mean, sometimes the game is just released and you go online and they kick your ass. Let alone you buy it a year after. That's very demotivating. Now then, let me just see if I can do that real quick. Hold on. So, health regeneration. are the level 2s? I don't get it. They're all level 1s, but I've been unlocking level 3s and stuff. Where are they? I don't get it. Let's continue with the story. Yeah, I know the story is good. Yeah, I've been watching a few. I'm like, I'm not gonna buy it. I'm not gonna make them. I'm not gonna earn them any more money. Oh, no more cutscene?
Time to begin the match.
They're all level 8s. We're gonna be okay. Yes, yes, me too, Nick. It became all about the money and the currency and...
Are you ready?
I prefer when it was GTA 4. You just go online, have a few rounds online and that's it, you know? It feels like there's consequences now to what you do online. Uh-oh. Oh, they're defending a lot now. Yeah, I dislike GTA Online as well. I wonder if they're gonna do the same thing with Red Dead Redemption 2. You know what? The game's getting harder, I noticed. Well, man, for some reason, there's something very satisfying about seeing Boo punching Cell, kicking his butt. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my goodness, I have no idea how I did that! That was amazing! Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? I don't even know how I did that! That was epic! I wish I remember what I pressed. Oh my goodness, I just did that, chair! Did you see that? He showed up and I did it! That was the first time ever. You show up in chat, you say that, and I do it. And I don't even know how I did that. That was amazing. That was amazing. I don't even know how I did it. It wasn't a chocolate though. It looked like a cookie. That was so good. I can't wait to see that again. Oh, hello, cheer. Welcome. That's why I don't mash buttons randomly. Well, I mean, more or less, I know what I pressed. Actually, I should check the notes now. I will check the combos. That was amazing. I turned him into a cookie. Me turned you into cookie. Cookie. Oh man, that was awesome. Oh, cutscene.
We're running some tests on 18 over at the Capsule Corporation. There's nothing wrong with her physically, so she should come around soon. It's gonna be okay. Relax, Krillin. You look like it's the end of the world.
Well, it kind of is.
Krillin has a point.
I take your word over doom and gloom any day. Thanks, Bulma.
Everything's gonna be right as rain. You think he's... Yeah, I'm gonna say that.
Hey, Krillin. My new roommate here also says to not worry about it. Well, we'll see this thing through, no problem. You can count on me.
Yeah, I guess so. Thanks. You know, you're pretty cool. I mean, for a soul without a body, I guess. You know, I think you and me are going to be good friends.
The thing that's puzzling me right now is Android 16's role in this whole dilemma. The 16 I know wouldn't go along with the Red Ribbon Army's twisted way of doing things.
It's true. 16 was never one of the bad guys.
When Android 16 first showed up on the scene, he did talk about another 16. I wonder if the 16 I saw was a copy built with the original specs.
Maybe, but I don't know. He didn't seem like a completely different android.
You have a point. Okay. What if he is a copy, but with the original's memory?
Who knows, Bulma? Either way, our only course of action at this point is to find the army's...
Did you guys know that the guy that voices Piccolo is also the same guy that voices Vegeta? You can't even tell when you listen to both of them. Yeah, it's still going on. The show is still going on. I think it's gonna end in March, I think.
Yes, you're right.
I'm very behind on the Super episodes. I'm gonna go pee, guys. I'm gonna be right back. And it looks like... Are we gonna rescue Adult Gohan? We're gonna rescue Adult Gohan! He's like my favorite character in the Dragon Ball series. I'm gonna go pee, be right back. And... Yeah, actually I can just move over right away. Hold on. Was I gonna do something here? I forgot. I was gonna do something here. I forgot what it was, though. I was gonna check the moves. Clear skills? No, that's not it. I'll check the moves later. I'm gonna go pee. I'm gonna pee, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I made a big pee-pee. Alright. As I was peeing, I was thinking about Death Stranding, how we know nothing about it. You know, I think about stuff when I pee. Hey, Dylan Bellucci, welcome. You just came back. Well, you just showed up when I came back from Wee. I washed my hands. Just so you know. Alright, everything's fine. Alright, so I'm gonna rescue Gohan, and he's gonna be in my team as well. I'm gonna replace Piccolo for sure. Okay, let's go get Gohan. I love Gohan. He's my favorite.
Over there! Guys, look! It's Gohan!
That's a relief. It looks like he just lost consciousness.
What'd you expect? He's made from tougher stuff than you.
Give me a break, Piccolo. You know these Saiyans are too robust for their own good.
Another clone, huh? Well, they're a stubborn bunch.
Goku, I'll keep this guy company. Get Gohan somewhere safe.
Huh? Knowing Goku, I bet he used instant transmission to get Gohan out of here.
Alright, now that Gohan's all safe with Bulma, we'll finally focus on some fighting.
Hey, Piccolo, your face has turned red. Why are you embarrassed?
I'm not.
What just happened? Can you talk Maltese because my bro doesn't know English? No, I'm not gonna speak. I'm not gonna speak Maltese. Sorry, Hafna. No, I'm gonna keep speaking English because everybody here understands English, not Maltese. So I'm sorry.
Okay. Hey, man, whatever you say.
Look, never mind that. We need to come up with a way to take care of this guy.
And anyway, I don't understand why. Why Piccolo's face turned red. Why was he embarrassed? I don't get it. And there's a clone Frieza here. Interesting. I trust Kojima's gonna do a good job, but so far we know nothing about his Death Stranding game. Nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing.
Get ready. Fight it out.
Oh, I missed. Yeah, but the thing is, it's like saying, I'm gonna speak in terms of movies, Nick. Like it's like saying it's an Adam Sandler movie. You know, Adam Sandler can be a good actor, but there has been some really bad movies. You know what I mean? It's a Jack Black movie. You know. So yeah. Last movie I watched from Sandler recently was Zohan. Don't mess with the Zohan. It's such a great movie. I'm gonna check the controls real quick. Special move list. This is just for Goku though. This is just for Goku. Dive. This is Majin Buu. Fat throw. Now Buu. Really? Hate you. Turn into candy. Alright, that's how I did it. Yeah, I remember pressing down and R2. Alright, so like that. That's how you turn into candy. Consumes 3 gauges. I think that's how I did the other one as well, Meteor Smash. Let's see if I can do it again.
That's all you got? I'm sure this is your brain. Maximum power! That's all you got? Not bad. I'm sure this is your brain.
I'm not so sure how I did it.
Not bad.
That does it. Yeah, we should, sure, we totally should. Gohan Adult is now playable. Yes, I'm replacing Piccolo.
Now that the clone's out of the way, we should go see Bulma.
Great. I certainly am hungry. And I bet Gohan's awake by now.
Dad, you're here. And so's Piccolo.
Hey there, Gohan. Doesn't look like there's a scratch on you anywhere.
Goku, can't you show a little more concern for your son's well-being?
I guess. But Gohan's pretty strong. He looks like he's ready to fight. Besides, you should know that. I mean, you're the one who's been training him recently.
Yeah, but he's still got a lot to learn.
So, Bulma told me what happened. I want to fight too. I'm ready.
Yeah, I've been looking forward to fighting alongside Gohan.
Yeah, Goku's always hungry, but it makes sense. You know, Goku's very strong, he trains a lot, so his metabolism is very fast, so he gets hungry often. That makes sense. That makes sense.
Here's the thing. I know you've linked with Dad and the others to fight and everything, but I should apologize. I feel bad that you got dragged into all this. From now on, I'll be fighting too. But we're still gonna need your help.
I like Gohan. Gohan's one of my favorites. He's not OP, you know. And he's just like me. If I was a Saiyan with these abilities and stuff, let me just replace Piccolo with Gohan now. If I was a Saiyan and I was that super strong and all that, actually, you know what I'm gonna do? There we go. I would become a superhero like he did with the Great Saiyaman. I am the Great Saiyaman! I would do that too. Oh, 16 is over there. Oh, hello, 16. Alright, so. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go here, and then here, and then here, and then here. That's how we're gonna do it. Let's go.
There's a clone of me too, huh? I guess this means I'll be fighting myself. When was this clone made, I wonder? How much of my information has been copied into its cells?
The Great Saiyan nerd. Exactly, and I'm a nerd too.
Helped awaken my hidden power. I might have some trouble taking it down.
I don't know, I find that I relate a lot to Gohan, except for the height. Height-wise, I'm more of a Vegeta.
It'd really help me out if it was made before I pulled out the Z-Sword. Or the level I was at the last time Frieza showed up. You don't really seem like you're gonna engage me in conversation, do you? There's no point in just standing here. I'll have to judge its power by fighting it. I have to be careful not to get too distracted when fighting this thing.
There we go. Me interposing like that. It would be a nice costume for Comic-Con. The Great Saiyaman.
Time to begin the match!
Crap, I missed! Won't happen again! Super Saiyan 3 was always weird when you think about it. It was very, very weird, Super Saiyan 3. First of all, he loses his eyebrows. Where are his eyebrows? Where did they go? And when he powered down, did his eyebrows grow back again? Like, that doesn't make sense. His hair. He got Super Saiyan 3 hair. Like, okay, where did that come from? And where did it go once he powered down again? You know? And what happens to people who are bold? Like Nappa, if he had to go Super Saiyan 3, what would happen? You know, Super Saiyan 3 always felt weird. But no, I mean, as a power-up, I love it though. So we said we're gonna go around like this, and then we attack. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Let's go. What happened over there? Would it go wronger, or would it say exactly? Exactly.
It's time to face your opponent.
Super Saiyan 3 was always weird as a power-up.
Are you ready? Fight it out! You're strong enough to handle this. Excellent work! Keep trying.
Ooh, nice. I didn't know that move.
How about this? There's more! Fantastic! You've got this. I'll show you how much of a fight I can put up, even just by myself. Fantastic job.
I love Gohan.
You're not getting away. You're going. Not done yet. Wonderful. I'll show you how much of a fight I can put up, even just by myself. You're not getting away. Take that. Face me now. Not bad. All you got? I'm sure to miss your brain. Counter! I'm sure to miss your brain.
The game looks gorgeous, my goodness.
See you. What's the matter? You're going. You're going. You're going. You're going. Over here. Here goes. See you. See you.
What the heck was that?
See you. See you. You're not getting away. What's the matter? You're not getting away. You're not getting away. See you.
I was mashing buttons right now. I was trying to see if I can get some awesome combos. Goku Super Saiyan Link event has been triggered. Check out the edit team or our gallery menus. Link event has been triggered. What is that? What's this? Phase 1, Phase 2? What's this? I have no idea what this is. Cutscene.
So, I can tell this is your first fight, eh? Hey, there's no need to be so tense. Just watch your opponent, and you'll see the next move will naturally come to you. You do that, it'll almost be like your body's on cruise control. If you aren't able to make this work, I never thought about that. We'll get to it when we get to it. Hey, partner, I'm looking forward to fighting with you.
I don't know what this is. What's going on? It's just a cutscene.
So, hey,
I have no idea what this is. I have no idea what this is. Apparently it's nothing. After this we're gonna go battle 16. We'll see what's going on with 16.
Get ready for a Dragon Ball Rumble!
So perform under there.
Good training session. Keep trying. Color me surprised. Try this one next. You really blew me away there. Last one. Better fit. That's how it's done. All you got? You've got this. See you. Hey. Here goes. Here goes. Not done yet. Amazing. No good. Not done yet. See you. You're not getting away. I'm done playing games.
I don't know what that is.
You're not getting away. See you. You're not getting away. You're not getting away. Here goes. Here goes. Here goes. Not done yet. Here goes. Here goes. Not done yet. Take that.
What is that? Yes, yes, I know what you mean. That was a good period when they trained together. I don't know what this is. Alright, it's just
Show you how much of a fight I can put up, even just by myself. See you, alright? See you.
I am so good. I like to clear tutorials because clearing the tutorial earns me more coins. I don't even know what they do yet, but I don't know. Something tells me more coins, the better. Majin Link event has been triggered. Check it out at the Team Arcade menus. What is this all about? Let's see. I don't know what this is.
One-time offer, okay? You know it. All candy. You only get half candy. Maybe have too much. How about half of half? Oh, growing boy, needs his sugar. You get half of half of half. Yeah.
I don't know what these are. These just cutscenes? What are these? They're just cutscenes. It looks like it. Hey, it's just cutscenes. Oh man, they don't do anything. It's just they don't do anything. All right, let's go find the Android 16. Let's see what this is all about. Show map. Yes, I'm saving the game. Alright, so I think... Yes, I'm gonna go back to the lobby. I want to see what it does with the coins. I want to check something. I want to see what the coins do, and I want to also see if there's like some sort of arcade mode, like Nick said earlier. They give you cards and make you laugh. Okay. A network error occurred. We're not connected to the lot. Okay, what? Okay, come on, man. So it does connect me online, you see? It still connects me online. So my PlayStation is online right now. It requires an internet connection. But the thing is, when it's time to fight online, oh, you don't have a PSN Plus. So weird. So as you can see, I got a Vegeta now. I got a... What is this place? Go on a quest? I don't care about quests. Arcade. Yeah, there's an arcade mode. There we go. There's an arcade mode here. Ranking. Local battle. This is online. Replays. What is this? Shop. Buy Z capsule. What's the Z capsule for? Here, in the shop you can try luck with Z capsule or download the content. What will be? Oh, okay. So I buy a Z capsule with premium Z coins. What's this? Buy with Zenny. Oh wow! I need 1,000 for one capsule. Gives you one. Sorry, 1,000 Zenny gives me one capsule. All right. I can buy 10. Which is the same amount anyway. Let's just try one. What is that? Hurricane of Hurt. What? What? Super Saiyan. Trunk Super Saiyan Color 2. So this is what this is. It just gets stuff. I want to try something real quick. With regards to arcade. Let me just check arcade real quick. Alright, so there's an arcade mode. I want to see if I got all the characters, like, because yesterday I unlocked Super Saiyan Gods. I got them. There they are, yeah. There we go. There's a Super Saiyan God Goku and the Super Saiyan God Vegeta.
I have the power to go beyond the legendary Super Saiyan.
Very well. Give me your best shot.
Goku! This is what it looks like to go beyond a Super Saiyan God!
Alright. I just want to fight with this mode real quick. So, Snake Way course. What's all this? Hyperbolic Time Chamber. Course. Let's go the Snake Way. Ah, okay. So this is the arcade. Alright. Okay.
Time to begin the match.
I'm gonna go back to the story mode after this. I just want to try fighting against Super Saiyan God. That's all.
You're going to help me test the results of my training.
Let's do this, Vegeta!
Get ready. Let's go.
I'm a Super Saiyan God!
Out of my sight! Don't you toy with me! Don't you toy! No! You won't escape! Get off! Don't you toy with on a scale of 1 to 10.
Whoa.
Get lost! Not done yet! Don't you go now! You won't escape! This is it! You're my fool.
What are the Dragon Balls down there? I have no idea what the Dragon Balls are for.
Is that all you've got? Get out of here! Don't you You won't escape! Get right here. How about that? I'm not done yet. I'm going to show you true power. Right here. What do we got? I'm not done yet. Impressive. It's too hard. Right here. Right here. How about this? How about I'm not done yet. Right here. Right here. Father! I wonder if I took it too far.
Okay. I wonder if I can play well online now.
You've made considerable progress.
Makes me
Keep it
wonder.
up, Vegeta.
Can I just end this now? I want to go back to the main game.
The battle's about to start. Good luck.
I noticed you and father. I noticed that. How lame was that? Father.
I too did more than just train. You'll find I'm not as naive as Kakarot.
Get ready.
Alright, let's go back to the lobby, okay? That's it. Let's continue the story. Did you know if you prove your might in arcade mode, Super Saiyan God Super Saiyan will join you in battle? Of course, hard to forget with the A rank, you'll be able to play as Goku. I already got them because I got them as free DLC. Haha! You see, I even got the avatars, look. Ta-da! Not practice. Story mode. Alright, so let's continue where we left off. Continue. Alright, so I'm over there. Oh yeah, time to attack 16. Let's go. He's level 15. We're gonna be okay. Cutscene time. But the game does look gorgeous. It's like the anime.
I'm starting to get the feeling that we've just found the base.
Hmm? Watch out! Somebody's coming!
So, you're here at last.
It's you! It's really you! So tell me, do you have your old memories? You do! You remember us! I can
Something
tell.
tells me that he's not the bad guy. People keep thinking he's the bad guy. I don't know. I don't think he's the bad guy, 16. I don't know. I could be wrong. We'll see.
So what if I do?
Wait a second. What are you saying? It means that you're the 16 that we've always known. Remember when we fought side by side all those years ago? Why are you helping the Red Ribbon Army? I mean, that's insane!
There is no need for me to answer.
Please stop! No, wait! We don't want to fight you, 16! Just walk away from this nonsense with the strange waves and the clones!
Your motives are not relevant. If you will not engage, I will.
Okay. Maybe he is bad. I don't know. Which episode am I on? Yesterday I finished... Which episode was it? You know, it's the tournament between Champa, the one that organized Champa and Beerus. Yeah, I'm within that tournament right now. And Vegeta just defeated the metal guy, whatever he was, Metal Man, whatever. Yeah, that's where I'm at. I'm really behind, I know. Trash you. What? I'm gonna trash you. Yeah. I'm not far behind, really. I think I am. Well, it depends. I mean, where are you watching the English dub? Or are you watching the Japanese? He's down for the count. You're watching the Japanese, so I think you're way ahead. Cutscene.
I knew it! You never planned on killing us after all.
You see? I have a feeling he's not the bad guy.
Right from the start, you lacked that killer instinct. Had you figured in a flash. It's like Goku says, 16 isn't fighting because he wants to. And if he's being controlled by the army, that means we can be friends again.
Apologies, but I cannot leave the army. I cannot let that monster run amok.
Monster?
Yes, the Red Ribbon Army's current leader, Android 21.
Android 21. Alright, is this a new Android 21? I mean, I've never heard of Android 21. Or is it like in the Super Anime that I haven't caught up yet?
You're saying there's an Android 21?
There is. I have been complying with 21's orders. However, 21's personality is growing more savage by the day. Were I to leave my post...
Exactly. If you were to leave your post, she would never awaken again.
Hey, you're the researcher from before!
21? She's an android, it's her.
What in the world? She's 21?
So it's her.
Curiouser and curiouser. But if you're Android 21, why did you save 18 back there?
Save her? Please, I never saved her. I fed you those lies in order to avoid fighting. I'm not at full power as of yet, but if you formed an alliance with Cell, that could prove troublesome. As for you, 16, I've had enough. You're nothing more than a treacherous pile of slag.
I don't understand.
Like hell you don't. I know you activated the system. Also, to give these nitwits an advantage, I know you linked a compatible soul.
And if I did?
Oh? Using that tone with me? I thought my policy on this matter was clear. Continue to resist me. I will make sure that she is history.
Who?
I see you still intend to side with the organics. So sad. Such wasted effort.
She looks like a Majin creature now.
What the?
That must be Android 21's true form.
What? So she wasn't even human after all?
That was established pretty early, Goku.
Such a shame we must part ways so soon. I guess this is farewell.
Hey, nobody. She's hot.
Who stands in my way will be ripped into tiny pieces. Don't hate me. It will make them believe in you with such a defective personality.
16, get out of there! You'll be blown to bits!
Hold on! I'll save you! No, Krillin! Step aside! Hear me in there? I'm gonna need your help for this one. Kamehameha! Do it! What?
Not a scratch.
No, 16! He has a history of getting destroyed every single time. Oh, rip.
No, it can't be! 16, we were just reunited!
Oh, are you crying for sweet 16?
Sweet 16.
Oh, don't be sad. It's gonna be all right. 'Cause I'm gonna eat you right up. That last attack must have taken its toll.
What's the matter? You were on a bit of a roll there.
You'll get what's coming to you. We'll finish this later.
Wait! Why did you destroy 16? I thought he was on your side!
He didn't listen, so I punished him, of course. If he stopped while he was ahead, I would have let him live, but he had to cross the line. Oh well, that's fine. Now there is no one left to oppose me. And now I'm free. Free to stuff myself with as many sweets as I want.
What? She does sound like a Majin.
You sound like a spoiled brat.
You'll see, boys. As soon as I'm ready, that's when the real fun starts.
Huh? Oh no, you don't!
Get back here!
Goku!
Let's tail him, Krillin! We can't let anything happen to Goku or his new friend.
I'm enjoying the story. When I read the review, people were complaining that the story is very dragging. But isn't all Dragon Ball stories, aren't they all dragging, you know, the anime? So, I don't mind. He's following her.
Ooh, impressive. You are quite fast. Even when your powers are suppressed.
Look at them bobs. Come on. She's an android. Stop it.
Sorry, but I'm not ready to snack on you just yet. of your power first because you are going to need it.
Oh no!
99!
Go!
The falling animation was a bit weird.
Wakey, wakey, sleepyhead. Snap out of it! You're wasting my time.
Who is this? Cell?
Finally, can't stand repeat myself. Ah, so you do know me. Why wouldn't you? There are very few Earthlings who haven't heard of the Great Cell. I mean, I did try to blow up the planet. But more to the point, who the hell are you? What is a living human soul doing inside of me? This is most upsetting. No matter. We can discuss this at a later time. For now, we have a fight to go and win.
What is going on right now? I have no idea.
Look what I found! Don't tell me. You're the one who was linked with Goku earlier.
Oh wow, he moved out and he went inside Cell now? This is very interesting. No, it's PS4, Xbox, PC for sure. I know those three platforms for sure. Xbox One, PS4 and PC for sure. I don't know about Switch though.
Oh, it was the impact of that blast that sent you here, didn't it? Well, more fun for me, I suppose. And it saves me the trouble of hunting you down.
It does look good, doesn't it? It really does look good. Oh, wow, I'm playing a Cell now? Against 21? I don't know what Vloggy's thinking. You probably do. You probably do.
Get ready for a Dragon Ball Rumble!
You know, out of all the villains, I think Cell's my favorite. He sounds very posh and, you know, ultimate perfection and all that stuff. So I'm going to enjoy this. You don't even stand a chance against the Great Cell. Perfect!
Can't die here.
I told you don't stand a chance against me. You want to link with her? Giggity. Oh man. Giggity indeed. Giggity Kakarot! Shh, cutscene. What? I trashed her and I'm still weak?
Just as I thought. Those who you link with become stronger. I could gobble you completely whole right now. But maybe I should have you relink with Goku instead. Yes, he would be a much better meal. Oh, decisions!
I'm gonna leave her like this for a little bit. Easy mode or pro? Or I'm a pro. It's not on easy. It never gave me the option like what mode I would like to go on. So I just started the game. So I guess I'm a pro. Yeah, right. We'll see if I'm a pro. I'll play online next time.
We have no choice. We must retreat.
I love that move.
Rats, he got away. But judging from the amount of his fatigue, the link won't hold for much longer. So, You can run all you like. I'll be dining on you before sundown.
How is this even? She's on a completely different level than my power can handle. No power source on this planet is capable of that. There must be some kind of way. Perhaps those clones are more than just mere drones. They might be the weakness I've been looking for. Whatever the case, I need to heal. And quick.
Oh, Cell. I'm enjoying this story. A fateful rematch. Goku versus Frieza. Yes! Yes!
What? Hey, you're back! Really? Hey guys, Goku's friend is back!
We were worried you kicked the bucket on us.
What were you doing? Where were you? Taking a walk around the block or something?
I was linked with Cell.
By Cell, you mean that Cell? The bad Cell? Why'd you link up with a creep like that?
The same reason he linked with you. I'm sure it wasn't voluntary.
Well, whatever. At least you're back now. That's all that matters. But if Cell's still alive, that means we've got more enemies to deal with than just 21.
Whatever the case, taking 21 down is our top priority right now.
Easier said than done. When I talked to her, she said she wasn't at full power just yet. Do you think she was just bluffing? I mean, come on. A diet of junk food? It's mostly sugar, and the stuff doesn't fill you up.
Who cares about her dietary habits? How strong she can get. That's the problem.
The problem is you guys arguing. Stop already!
Everybody says the same thing, that the fists are enormous in the cutscenes. It's true.
You guys are good at sensing power, right? Feel out 21's location and send her to the scrap heap.
If only it were that simple. We've been trying to figure out where 21 is for a while, but nothing's come up, I'm afraid.
Android 21 will probably keep her power in low gear, just like Cell.
Oh well, what doesn't turn up now will turn up later.
It's true. I agree with what Goku just said. Piccolo can change any body parts into every size he wants. It's true.
For now, let's focus on what we can do. Yeah, like rounding up the rest of the gang, right?
Yeah, Krillin's right. We need a bigger team for the battle ahead.
Just our luck. Vegeta's good at never being around when you really need him. He brags about being the Prince of Saiyans. He's the Prince of Bad Timing, if you ask me.
Cut him some slack, Bulma. He'll turn up soon. I'm sure of it. Hey, I know. I'm pretty used to this link business by now. Maybe if I focus really hard, I can pinpoint Vegeta's energy. All right, here I go. Yep, it's Vegeta, all right. I got it.
You found him? Really? Way to go, Goku!
Come on, guys. What do you say we go rescue our buddy Vegeta?
Yay! Time to find Vegeta. Let's focus on what we can do. Goku goes to eat. I was thinking he was gonna say that. I was thinking he would say that, something about foods. So, I'm over here right now. Vegeta's probably all the way here. Okay. Alright, so it's a long way to go. Hold on, let me just check my phone real quick. Oh, thank you for the retweet, Drew. Thank you very much. If you were listening. Anyway, so, let me see how I'm gonna go about this. Let's start from here.
It's time to face your opponent!
it does get very repetitive fighting these clones over and over. But again, it is a fighting game, so what do you expect? I think the cutscenes give you a nice break, though. Alright, no problem, nobody. Thanks so much for hanging out, buddy. You have a good one. And bon appetit! That was very chaotic.
You're not getting away.
Mashing buttons like crazy right now.
You're not getting away. You're going. Not done yet.
Whew. That was awesome. So I'm over here, I'm gonna go around, up there, and then up here. I'm gonna battle those three, and then I'll make my way up to Vegeta.
A fierce showdown is about to begin! Are you ready? Let's go! All you got? Your turn! All you got? I've got this! That's all you got? There's more!
Come on, how do you do this? I forgot. There we go.
Over here! You're not getting away.
I miss Gohan being a Super Saiyan, though.
You're not getting away. You're not getting away. Here goes. Here goes. Over here.
Perfect. Now I'm gonna go around here. Oh, where's Boo? Oh, that's where I was going, so let's go attack Boo. What level is he? 20. We're gonna be okay. Let's go.
Is that Majin Buu?
What's he doing there? Goku beat him, right? How'd he come back?
I don't know. But I think he might be a clone.
Clone?
Think of it as a copy, made from the cells of Kid Buu. His cells must have been collected before, and then cultivated.
Cells? Also what?
Actually, if they were the cells of Kid Buu, he'd be able to regenerate. So that can't be right. I'm not sure what to make of it. What do you think, Boo?
What are you talking about?
Sorry. I guess my explanation got a bit technical, huh? How should I put this so you understand? So, it's like when you use part of your body to create another Boo.
Huh?
This isn't going very well. To put it simply... What's going on?
He ready to fight?
All right, Boo, let's do this.
Let's do this.
Time to begin the match.
It's funny how it's always the Dragon Ball games that block the scenes from being recorded. I mean, luckily I have a capture card and I can bypass that. But other than that, you wouldn't be able to stream this. It would ruin the whole experience.
Are you ready? Fight it out!
Show me how strong you are. Good job. Okay, on to the next one. Man, I'm getting pumped. How about this? Good turn. That's all you got? That's all you got? Get out of here!
Wonderful!
That's all you got? I've got this! I'm sure this will break!
Fantastic!
Nice.
Disruptive finish!
Never stood a chance. Poor Boo. Why did this glow over here? For some reason this glowed. I have no idea. You know what? I'm gonna take this round, the way around, over here. Then we're gonna go get Vegeta.
Get ready for battle!
Hey, what's using a sword? That's not fair. It's a weapon.
See you. You're not getting away.
Alright, one more and then we'll get Vegeta.
A fierce showdown is about to begin. Are you ready? Let's go! Great to
Perform a special move. That's a special move. Hold on. Because I don't know which ones are the special ones. Special move list. Use your smash. Alright, so that's a special move. It doesn't count as a special move in my opinion, but anyway.
Okay, on to the next
Powered
one.
up special move. Okay. Alright.
Color me surprised. Last
Super
one.
attack.
Better
Now.
finish strong.
Okay.
Color me surprised. Like that? Not bad.
Nice.
You got this. You're not getting away. See you. Here goes. Here goes. Not done yet. Here goes. Here goes. Not done yet. What's the matter? Here goes. Not bad. Here goes. Not done
Does he
yet.
regenerate or something?
Here goes. Here goes. Not done yet. Here goes. Here goes. Here goes. Here goes. Here goes. Maximum power. What's the matter? Over here. Here goes. Here goes. Not done yet.
What is the... Hey! Special move list. Potential unleash consumes 1 key gauge. 3 key gauge. Alright, so back and R1. Back and R1. Hey! Faith, probably. Hello, Faith. Or...
Here goes.
Yes!
Show you how much of a fight I can put up. Even by myself.
Can I do it again?
Here goes. Here goes. Not done yet. Here goes. Fantastic. Here goes. Not done yet. Here goes. Here goes.
Come on, come on.
Here goes. Here goes.
You can do this. You can do this. Come on.
Here goes. Here goes. Show you how much of a fight I can put up. Even
Did he just break it? Alright, we're done. Yes. Whew. Let's do another one. Another one! Alright. Cutscene? 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 Cutscene.
That's odd. Vegeta should be close by. He's gotta be around here somewhere.
Hey, look over there!
Vegeta! Time to finish what I started!
Damn it!
Who's there? Well, well. If it isn't the welcome wagon. And I was so close, too. I wanted to off this impertinent prince before that woman could turn him into an hors d'oeuvre.
What is he talking about?
Although, that wouldn't change your pitiful fate as the main course, would it? In fact, I may as well exterminate all of you now!
Wait, Lord Frieza, please! Allow your humble servant to assist!
Ginyu Force. Oh, Ginyu Force. I keep saying Ginyu because I watched the Italian version. Ginyu Force. Are they gonna do the pose? Strike a pose, guys! Raccoon! Oh man, the nostalgia. This guy's got an English accent. Jice. Now he's thinking he's farting like this.
I guess the more things change, the more they stay the same, huh?
Look at them posing.
And they do this, why again?
Well, impressive. Now then, it will be my pleasure to watch all of you perish.
Alright, let's do this. Let's do this. Captain Ginyu. Wow, they're all level 16. Wow! Alright. Okay, Frieza. Oh, he's defending a lot.
Can't you do any better? Keep at it. Can't you do any better? Can't you do any better?
Not done yet!
Oh, he defended it. Wow. One is down. Get the other one.
Better than I imagined. You're wide open. Over here. Better than I imagined. See you.
He's strong.
You're not getting away. You're not getting away. Please switch in for me.
Oh. Wow, these guys are giving me a hard time. Nice. Vegeta Super Saiyan is now playable. Yay! Cutscene.
I can see now why Cell was struggling so much. You have done quite well to tap into this much power.
Sorry, Frieza. Looks like you're the one that's going to be doing the dying today. But before we blast you into microscopic pieces, you're going to tell us something.
Oh, pray tell?
When you said we'd be that woman's main course, what did you mean? Because as I see it, Android 21 is just trying to kill us.
Very well. I suppose I should reward you for that stimulating scuffle.
No, Lord Frieza. There's no need to divulge information to the enemy.
No need to worry. I merely want to fan the flame of fear that is to consume them. That woman. You refer to her as Android 21, if I am not mistaken. She fully devours warriors, which adds their strength to hers. It's a simply remarkable process.
You're kidding!
I'm serious. She turns her victims into candied treats. Just crude.
Exactly like a Martian. She looks like a Martian, she sounds like a Martian, she acts like a Martian, but she's an android. So weird.
I see. So that's what her scheme is.
Yeesh. I mean, talk about bizarre.
That's not too different.
There we go,
from Cell or
exactly.
Boo.
Well then, if that's the case, we're pretty lucky to have found these guys before Android 21 could gobble them down.
Oh, stop all your silly nonsense. I won't become nourishment for 21. Nor grovel before you cretins.
Think you can get away from us, Frieza?
Captain Greenwood.
At once, my lord. Guldo, paralyze them! Damn it!
Yeah, I think he can paralyze them if he holds his breath. No, I think he can freeze time or something if he holds his breath. That's what it is, if I'm not mistaken.
This again!
But it's frozen.
I can't move!
Parting is such sweet sorrow. Thankfully, we'll see each other soon.
I see. A lot has happened while I was out. Still, letting Frieza slither away like that proves you're nothing but soft. You were made painfully aware of Guldo's power when you fought him on Namek.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Vegeta! I don't think you have room to talk right now. While you were sleeping like a Saiyan log, everyone was out fighting for the world.
Maybe we could just save the marital squabbles for later, huh?
I know, you're right. It's been some time since 21 flew off.
Yeah, and if what Frieza said is true, 21 should be a lot stronger by now.
That's right. It's high time you pull the plug on that oversized blunt.
Yeah, but we can't get a fix on 21's power. We don't know what we're dealing with yet.
It doesn't matter how strong 21 gets. I'm sending her to the trash compactor.
There he goes again.
Really, Vegeta? You were napping this whole time. You've never seen Android 21 in action.
Kakarot! Just shut it! Look, we're glad you're on board, Vegeta. But you'd better get used to linking before taking on 21. Remember, without linking, we are utterly powerless. That's certainly no way to fight. We don't know where the waves are coming from. You'll just have to accept it.
Okay, settle down, everyone. And that goes for you too, Vegeta. Piccolo's the one who saved your butt when Frieza was about to fry you. I think you owe him some thanks.
Oh, he acted on his own. I don't recall asking for help. Oh, is that how it is? Well, good. Because the thought of being thanked by you makes me want to hurl. What was that?
Nice comeback, Vegeta.
So, guys, it's time. Game plan. Let's clean up the baddies that we know are out there already. Look, we can't afford to let 21 chomp them down and then get even stronger.
Good thinking. And fighting those clones, that would be some good link practice, too. The very thought of fighting with someone else in my body is just sickening. But I'll let it slide this once.
Okay. I saved. Alright, so. Let's see. Seems to be somebody else that needs to be saved over there. What's that? Gotenks! Oh, nice. Alright, so I was thinking. I'm gonna modify my team. I'm gonna remove Majin Buu from my team now. Buu, I think you've done enough. And we're gonna add Vegeta. Okay. So, how do we go about this? Alright.
Gohan, I was told that you have been training with Piccolo. Have you regained your ability to fight?
Well, I think I've improved quite a bit since the time Frieza came back.
Not good enough. All this peace has made you lazy and soft. If you want to call yourself a Saiyan, then toughen up and act like one. You say that you're training again, but I haven't seen any proof of that.
What? Really? I'm taking my training seriously, though.
If that's true, then you're better off without softy trainers like Piccolo and Kakarot.
Well, Vegeta, if that's how you feel, why don't you train me?
Who, me? Don't be ridiculous. You can go and train yourself.
You know, in some ways, you're more brutal than Piccolo used to be.
Enough of this. It's time to fight.
This should be a great fight! Get ready! Let's go! That's all you got? That's all you got? There's more! Amazing! I'll be sure to miss your break.
That's perfect.
I've got this! That's all you got? There's more! Amazing! Come on!
Everyone's switching for some reason. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Over here! Like that? Like that? Let's go! Maximum power! There's more! Maximum power! I got this!
You're not getting away!
I'm done playing games!
Nice. Destructive finish. So, I'm gonna do this. And we're gonna go save Gotenks.
I don't know if you're a clone or what, but you intend to go head-to-head with me, right? It makes me sick thinking about my copy obediently following orders from someone else. Apparently, my clone isn't much for words, is he? I want these puppets out of my sight for good. Time to eliminate you. Oh, you'd better use my fighting stance with pride. Looks like you're a copy of me. Exactly, in every way down to my very cells. But I doubt you've been able to copy how much stronger I've gotten up to this point. Don't think for a second that a clone can stand up to the real deal.
Oh, Vegeta.
It's time to face your opponent.
What? How are you, Inferno? Welcome. He just got up. Wow. You sleep too much.
Get ready. Let's go.
Oh, there's a...
Give this a whirl.
Oh. Nice.
You got the hang of this quick. I'm impressed. Try this one next.
Turntable to sparking blast. I know how to do this. There we go.
Color me surprised. You've come this far, so I'm sure you'll be fine.
I'm not gonna bother with the attacks. Just gonna go ahead and start. You don't stand a chance against me. No face cam today? No, it's because of the thing that was happening yesterday with the light changing from my TV. It kept affecting the green screen, so I'm like, you know what? If it's not gonna be done properly, I'm not gonna bother with it, you know. I need to get some decent lighting. I need to buy some sort of a spotlight or something, an LED spotlight that would put light on my face and my green screen and stuff. So yeah. Whoa.
You're going. Not done yet. You're going. I'm done playing games.
I don't know what that does. So yeah, I did watch the shave video that you shared with me. It's very cringy, to be honest with you. I don't know. But... I don't know. You're like the bears in winter. You sleep a lot. But I'm sure you didn't go to bed right away after work, didn't you? Alright, so I'm over here. Let's go save Gotenks. Wait a sec. There's Gotenks. Yes, let's go rescue Gotenks. I like the idea of fusion in this anime.
It's the boys and they're hurt. We gotta get them back to Bulma!
Goku, look! An enemy!
Doesn't look like he's in the mood to let us go without a fight.
No, he doesn't. Our only chance is to take him out.
That's it. That's not much. But yeah, you slept a lot. You slept a lot. I think this game would be amazing with an arcade stick.
Ready?
We should let Gohan deal with this, actually. Let me just... Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's let Gohan fight a little bit.
You're not getting away. You're not getting away.
Nice.
Hey! See you! See you! Hey! See you! You're not getting away!
Ouch.
See you!
Oh, it's time for Vegeta! Say your prayers.
Are you brave enough to take this one?
Final Flash! That was epic! Look at that! That was epic! Destructive finish. Good job, Vegeta. Gotenks is now playable. Alright, so they're gonna fuse probably.
What's everyone doing here?
Oh, Trunks! I'm so glad you're okay.
What is this place? And where's Gohan? Oh, hey, Piccolo.
Listen up, you two. I have to explain something. What this all means is that without the link, we can't fight.
What? So some creepy stranger is gonna live in my body?
Hey, Merlina, welcome. Nice to see you. Playing some Dragon Ball today for a change.
We don't need that, right, Goten? All we have to do is fuse and we'll be able to fight for sure.
Ha! I'm with you, Trunks. Let's show them how
They're gonna
strong we
fuse!
become.
They're gonna fuse!
Okay, you ready?
They're gonna fuse! Yes, please fuse!
Fusion! Get ready! You're about to witness my amazing...
How awesome! I love how cocky he gets, Gotenks. I love the attitude Gotenks gets.
Now what move should I perform? Oh, I know! Here goes! Charging Ultra Boo Boo Volleyball!
Get it! You don't have anyone to play the ball.
Aww, but I really wanted to show you, Piccolo! Maybe something a bit less awesome would be better. We are on a plane after all. Miracle Punch! Huh?
I told you already. You need to have a link first. Without one, you can't even fly. It's that simple.
Nuh-uh, watch this! Time to fly! Come on! Fly! I said fly! Dang it! Come on! Fly! Like a bird!
Even Gotenks looks weird, I mean Super Saiyan 3. And it's weird that only Gotenks is able to go Super Saiyan 3. Gotenks and Goku. Nobody else. I don't know why. Maybe it's the artist, they didn't feel like drawing everyone in Super Saiyan 3, I don't know.
Piccolo, what's going on?
You're wasting your energy. You have to link. Accept it.
Aw, seriously?
Alright, and I saved Gotenks, now I'm able to... okay. But I think I'm gonna stick with the team that I have. I'm not gonna modify my team. I'm gonna be okay like this. Now, where do we go from here? I was thinking maybe we go like this. Take this route like this. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, let's go like this.
I don't care much for that woman, though. I suppose I should offer my thanks. After all, she has given me the perfect opportunity to dispose of the two of you rejects.
Dispose of us? I was thinking the same thing about you. I can finally crush you with my two bare hands.
Very well, then, if you wish to die that badly.
Wait a sec!
What do you want?
Kakarot, stay out of this!
Who says you get to fight first, Vegeta? It's not fair!
Nobody cares! Quit bothering me! You got in my way the last time we fought Frieza, in case you don't remember.
Yeah, well, sorry about that, but if you'll remember, I didn't have much of a choice.
Whatever.
Well, technically I saved you earlier, so aren't we already even? When you were knocked out and Frieza tried to attack you, I blocked the attack and saved you.
Shut up! Why do you always bring that up? Now, if you're done trying to steal my moment of glory, I have a fight to get to.
Jeez, no need to be so moody, Vegeta. Just let me fight Frieza for a little bit, okay? Cool?
A bit? Do I look stupid? Just let me fight!
That is enough! You have some nerve making me listen to this juvenile squabbling! That's something I seriously cannot stand about the two of you mindless monkeys. If you two want to fight me so badly, then I'll just destroy you both at the same time. I'll crush the two of you with my bare hands.
Oh, Frieza, you don't stand a chance.
Time to begin the match!
Let's go.
It's all or nothing!
Okay, time to train.
Can't you do anything?
Color me surprised. Try this one next. Not bad.
That won't do!
How about this? Leave this to me. Over here.
You'll regret this! Fantastic! I'll make you pay for this!
Perfect.
You miserable!
Wow. Let's keep going.
should be a great fight! It's all or nothing! Let's go!
Sure, Mr. Prince. Super Saiyan. Here goes. Not done yet. Hey.
Amazing!
See you. See you. Hey. I'm done playing games. You're not getting away. Over here.
Oh.
What's the matter? See you. Here goes. Not done yet. Hey. You're not getting away. Here goes. Not bad. Over here. Hey. See you. Here goes. Here goes. Not bad. You're not getting away. Here goes. No good.
Nice. I don't know, watching these animations and this anime, even looking at Gohan right now, makes me feel like drawing him. I'm getting the inspiration to draw. I would love to draw Gohan right now. I don't know. It's been a while since I drew some anime, some manga. 2013. We caught up to them. Nice. Now we're gonna deal with Cell and then the boss, which is apparently Nappa.
Oh, I've waited for this day to come ever since I lost you. Now finally, I have the chance to right that wrong.
Cell, no matter how many times you find a way to come back, I'll always defeat you.
But is that really you, Gohan? There is something different. Can't quite put my finger on it yet.
What do you mean, different?
Oh, that's right! You were a lot smaller when you beat him, so he didn't recognize you now that you're big!
You know that's not what I meant. Clearly, your energy is diminished. I sense a lack of the same overwhelming power. You're definitely weaker. When I look at your face, I perceive a hint of the Gohan I fought before. But you're hardly the same person. There's no doubt about that.
Well...
Poor guy, he's gotten weak. He's weaker.
You figured it out, huh? Gohan's been so focused on his studies that he's skimped out on his training.
Whoops! Whoops indeed, Goku.
And there we have it. Your strength just isn't what it used to be, Gohan.
Well, I've been training again recently, so I'm not as weak as you think.
Enough with the excuses. I don't want any more disappointments. I was hoping for the chance to have a little fun before ending your life. You know, like broken bones and some bleeding. However, at this rate, it appears I won't be able to enjoy any of that at all. At least try to muster up some kind of strength, you worthless little runt. Am I going to have to do what I did back then and take advantage of that little temper of yours?
Alright. Okay. Time to sell it up. Sell it up.
About to begin. It's all or nothing. Let's go.
No, 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 no.
No good. Over here. You're good. No good.
You're good. Not that. You're not getting away. No. See you. You're not getting away. What's the matter? You will suffer.
Nice. You got some health back. Nice. Alright, now we're going to Napa.
Get ready for battle.
Ooh, I missed. Now I can miss.
See you. Here goes. Here goes. Not that. Here goes. Not done yet. Hey. See you. Better than my match. You're not getting away. You're not getting away. You're not getting away.
Whoopsie.
See you.
Lord Frieza! That's it, GG. Nice. Cutscene. Buon appetit. Android. Oh, more cutscene. About. Oh, Kai's planet. Elder Kai, whatever.
Elder Kai, what do you think?
I'm sensing something bad. Something terribly evil. Almost feels like someone took all the warriors on Earth and rolled them into one.
All the warriors?
And that's not all. Frieza, and that android Cell. Even Boo, the terrifying villains our friends defeated, seem to have returned.
Boo too?
Things could go completely out of control if something's not done. This is terrible. Unfortunately, we don't have a horse in this here race. The gods keep watch, plain and simple. We'll just have to believe our friends can pull through.
Come on, Goku. You can do it.
Map 12. Alright. The boss here is just at the end. Oh well. 14. Trunks. Nobody to rescue this time. Let's go.
It's time to face your opponent! Get ready! You've got this! Counter! Nice! You're not getting away! Hey! Hey! You're going! Not done yet! Wonderful! See you! Look good! Over here! Show you how much of a fight I can put up! Even just by myself! I'll let you take it from here. Too slow. Out of my sight.
Oh man.
Out of my sight. Be gone. Wonderful. Sight. Cocky bastard. Final.
That is awesome. Look at that. I'm so good. So I'm gonna go this way and this way and then this way and then this way. That's what I'm gonna do. Ooh, Cell again.
Get ready for a Dragon Ball Rumble.
I'm just gonna finish this map and then call it because I'm getting tired. I need to get some rest before work.
Get ready. Fight it out. Time to swing. Is that all? Be gone! Be gone! Is that all? Finish! Say your prayers!
Darn you! Good thing they are trying to save the Earth. No, but they're Earth-friendly blasts. Planet-friendly blasts. Don't worry. Don't worry about that, buddy. Don't worry. Trust me. So I'm gonna go this way and then this way. Eco blasts, exactly. Eco-friendly blasts. Now it's time for Nappa!
The battle's about to start. Good luck! Get ready! Go! Okay, time I can't take things for granted with you around. Let me see you something.
Oh, and by the way, Inferno. Pippets messaged me today. It's been a while. But yeah.
You've come this far, so I'm sure you'll have fun. You little. Good
Is he defending a lot? I'm not paying attention. I don't know. Let me try. Yeah, I think he's defending a lot. Oh, whoa, whoa. He planted the side behind down there. Yeah, I think it was very strong. So, by the way, yes, she did. Yes, she did. Her new, her new boo. Yeah, she messaged me from there. Something reminded her of me, and she's like, "Oh, remember this?" Anyway, by the way, refrain with Instagram, and the part could have not been what? Refrain with the Instagram and the DOF. The part could not have been. The dog part could not have been. No, no, no. I'm not saying it's fake. I'm not saying it's fake.
This should be a great fight.
I think you spelled it right, actually. Believe. That's how you spell it. Yes, you spelled it. It's the second time, though. The second time you spell it correctly. Do you believe in love after love? In your case, do you believe in ghosts after ghosts? Anyway, either way, I think she needs to call it Ghostbuster. Peter, or Ray, or Egon. Oh, come on, let me power up. Be a gentleman, Frieza. That was an epic move. Well done, Vloggy. Well done. You're so good at this. Next time I'll play online, because I'm getting very confident that I might... Actually, not next time, I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna finish this map, this part of the map again, and I'll go online. I'll do that. If I can... The thing is, my PS Plus ran out, but maybe I think I can take a trial, a 2-day trial or something. That will be enough. I can go online, see if I'm good at all this. Is this the boss fight? Yes, it is. Let's go. What time do you start work? 10:30. 10:30. I might drop by and get some chicken. I mean, not drop by there where you work, but I might drop around 10. I might go buy some chicken from over there. I miss that chicken. I haven't had that chicken in a while.
It's all or nothing.
Ooh, nice, Tien. Whoa, 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 what's all this? Oh, I missed.
Make sure I get to have some fun. Out of my sight! Be gone! Out of my sight! Come back! Move it! Out of my sight! Out of my sight! Out of my sight! You're wide open! You're wide open! Get out!
It's time to fight Nappa.
Out of my sight! Take that! Be gone! Out of my sight! See the flares! Too slow! That's the power! You're what? Clean up! Hope you're ready! Bring back attack! Out of my sight! Come back! Hope you're ready! Bring back attack!
We're going to do the big one. Okay, whatever. It worked. You should be at work. Oh, you should. Go, 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 go! I'm ending the stream soon. Actually, I've finished this map and I'm going to try some online now. See if I'm good enough.
Be gone! Be gone! Come back! Are you brave enough to take this one? Final blast! Wonderful! Are you brave enough to take this one? Final blast! Wonderful!
Oh, I need to power up.
Useless! Too slow!
Nice. I think I'm going to be good enough to play online. No, no, no. This is part of the story mode. This is the story mode. Let's try online now. I think I'm gonna be good at this. I don't know. I have a feeling. Let's see. What a feeling! Let's see. Oh, cutscene. Just like Majin Buu, that's what she does. Okay, how does she eat all those cupcakes and still stay in shape? Hmm.
On a scale of 1 to 100, I'd give it a 24.
That's what it's all about, Inferno.
Those Ginyu losers aren't packing much power either, at least not from what I heard. Well, can't be too picky. And you, why watch from the back row? I'll give you a VIP seat.
Oh, so you knew all along.
Of course. Why do you think I let you watch me maul that meathead? Consider that a preview of what's gonna happen to you. Aren't you excited?
You're going to have a much harder time if you plan on snacking on me. Though, from the looks of it, you've been snacking a bit much. You should.
Did he call her fat?
Back a bit.
Did he call her fat? Let's see.
You wouldn't want a bellyache now, would you?
You look tastier than... who's that? Oh yes, Nappa. I wonder what I should turn you into.
What the?
Don't worry, I'll be sure to make it quick.
How did you get this strong? This fast?
When we last tangled, I wasn't even at half power. I'd like to actually try this time, if that's okay. So let's set the table. It's time to eat!
What happened? Did he become a cupcake as well? Gohan, I don't think event has been triggered. Alright, let's check it out. Let's check it out.
I've got to admit, it's an odd feeling sharing bodies with someone else. Wait a sec. Are we actually having this conversation inside my head? You can hear my thoughts? Then that means you know what I'm thinking without me saying it? Contrary to popular belief, I'm not thinking about Fidel and Pan 24/7. Okay? Don't get me wrong. I'm super happy with my family. Heck, I think about them pretty much all the time. Wait, crap, just contradicting myself.
I don't know what's funnier, Gohan's contradiction or Inferno's comment. He's just an anime character. Alright, let's get over that. I'm gonna save and I'm gonna go online if I can. I'm gonna try to go on a cookie probably. I don't know. Who knows? And there's 2 more stories here, I think. Arc data, what's this? Battles. Battles 1. Longest combo. Story completion 25%. Really? Oh, complete 25%. Yes. Let's see, because I feel like I've mastered, but I think I can control the characters really good now. I'm confident. Let's see if I can play online. Maybe I can get some sort of a trial for PS Plus. I don't feel like paying to play because I don't really play online much. But the trial would be enough to test my skills. I don't know. So yeah, VR Provo got to join. Let's see if I can do that. Just to try for 2 days. Will you give me that, please? Benvenuto? Okay, there we go. I got it! I got it for 2 days for free, there we go. Enter ranked match. Ranked match, bonus strength, same as me, anything goes. No. Match completion rate, whatever. Enter ranked match. Let's go. My team. I'm gonna stick with this one. Every now and then, you'll be able to get it as a free trial. Sometimes I get it for 14 days, sometimes 2. It's very random. It's very random. But you cannot do it every single time. You have to wait a few months before you can try it again. And most of the time I pay for PS Plus. Maybe I'll fight Toby again. I wonder if we can... You didn't get the game, did you? Master Roshi, are you here? You didn't get the game. Oh. Oh. Let me try and get something. Let me see if I can go just the same as me. Anything goes, anything goes. Let's try that. You wish you did? Well, it's never too late. It's a good game, though. It's a good game. Look at him training. Match made. Come on. Yes. Waiting for opponent. Let's go. Let's see if I can bash him.
See if you can find any other clues. I'll be examining this.
Why did I go with Cell's voice and Barry's dialogue?
You were almost a gibble sandwich.
Alright, let's see. Number of wins 6. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm at 0. So I'm player 2. Looks like it. Killer Age. Let's do this. Let's crush everybody, Kakarot. Let me ask you something, Vloggy. Let's let you ask something. Let you ask something. Ask away. What's going on?
Ready? Fight it out! Insolence!
What the heck is going on? Is there lag? I'm not fighting anything. My controls are not responding. What the heck? Crap. I don't know if there's lag or anything. Okay, which one is me? I have no idea which one is me. Oh my goodness, that's like delay with the controls or something? I'm getting my ass kicked. I have no idea what's going on right now. I'm so tired of that meme chair. That is so old now.
You're wide open! Out of my sight!
Now you have to deal with me. Let's go! I've got you! I've got you! So you're nasty and brittle. Burning it!
You're wide open!
I've got you! Say your prayers!
Oh my goodness.
Get away! I've got you!
Foolish. Oh my goodness, I never get started.
Get away!
Wow. Get good, please. Now you show up. When I played online and I got trashed, I got a medal apparently.
Darn it! I could have won that fight without your help, Kakarot.
Man, I got trashed. Wow. I'm not fighting you again. I don't know if it was lag or anything. Ugh, it's just, man, it's like my controls weren't responding. Let's try again. No, I'm gonna try again, but with a different character, with a different player. What are these? Z stamps. Matchmaking pauses whenever. Good evening. I'm gonna stop playing around with these because when you, it's always like, isn't it? Yeah. No, that's because you suck, Will. True, there's a difference. You suck. You suck. And as Cheer would say, you don't know their way. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. And by the way, Drew, your PC doesn't handle Outbreak, so please don't speak about Outbreak if your PC doesn't run it, okay? If you can't, you stick with your Nintendo 64, okay? Oh man, I'm sorry, but what's the point of having a gaming PC if it doesn't run Outbreak, a PS2 game from 2002? Did I get the year right? I randomly said 2002. I wonder if I said that right. Well, Outbreak is beneath my PC. Exactly. No. Your PC is beneath. Your PC is beneath. How are you, Mr. True? We're gonna play some Outbreak next week. Maybe you can set it up. Maybe you can buy a new PC by then. Can I get inside? Match made! Yes! And he has a terrible connection, as you can see. See? On the right hand side. What? Did he just surrender? He's like he's too strong for me. I'm just gonna withdraw. So, can I buy some stuff again from the shop? I don't even know what this was all about, but anyway. Buy Z capsule. I don't know what they're for. Buy with Z premium points. Do I have a Z premium coin? Buy a Z premium. Insufficient premium Z coins. I don't know what they are anyway. Buy a Z capsule with premium Z coins. You're guaranteed an item if you buy. Ugh, whatever. Whatever. Working. Well, yeah, new PC, right? Next time I try to set it up, I'm gonna make Sakura help me and blame her if it still doesn't work. I think Sakura's PC is broken right now. No, her phone is broken, not her PC. Her phone. Come on! Seems like matchmaking is still broken, apparently. Local battle, what does it mean anyway? In order to play, you need to cancel your rank match. Alright, yeah? And then what? Match entry cancelled, okay. Begin battle with who? Alright, so it's just somebody with a controller standing next to me. That's what it is, okay. I don't understand why we have to go in a lobby to get certain features, like, I don't know. Like, why do I have to go into an online lobby just to get to the story? Or to get to the arcade mode? Like, why do I need the online?
Oh, it's Lord Beerus.
Hey! Magnum, welcome. Is that a bat? Looks like a poop. Looks like poop. Been trying to catch some Pokemon in Warp. I hate the motion controls. It's the hardest part of the whole game. Oh, match. You know, I think you're far into the game than I am. True. You're further into the game than I am. Whoops. When are we gonna battle? Here comes a mighty warrior. Let's go. I don't care what now. These nuts 24 his username is, and he went 1-5. Alright. Step up your Pokemon game. When are we gonna battle, you and me? We need to make another Pokemon battle stream.
This'll be a good match.
I hope so. Uh-oh, Super Saiyan God. My goodness, how did he get to Super Saiyan God?
Let's hurry up and get this started.
Oh no, he's Super Saiyan God.
Ready? Now this. Now this. Here goes. Over here.
Oh wow.
One more time. Now this. One more time. Now this. Here it is. Not bad. Over here. I'm sure this is your brain.
That's okay. Don't touch Kakarot!
That was lucky. That was lucky.
Oh! Nice!
Come here. You won't escape.
Nice! Wow, he's really good.
You're not getting away. Hey, see how you like this? What's the matter?
Whoa.
You're not getting away.
Wow, he didn't even land an attack. Not once. Nothing. Look at the damage I dealt. That was amazing. Whoa.
Guess I got a little too carried away.
Man. I've been building my confidence in the story mode, feeling really good, and then I go online and I get trashed,
amazing
man.
it is in our fights.
My goodness. I was teasing him. Oh, man. Alright, I'm gonna call it. I am gonna call it. I've been streaming for almost 3 hours. Oh, past 3 hours actually. So I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna take a break. And I'm gonna take a nap because, you know, playing video games is tiring. I'm gonna take a nap before work. Thanks to everyone that hung out with me in chat, said hello and watched the stream. You guys are awesome. I'm gonna continue this probably. I'll try tomorrow, but tomorrow's a busy day. So tomorrow's a busy day. But I'm gonna try. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye, have a great time.